Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now we are starting a new sub-series for application publishing using one-click install. So in this sub-series we will learn the basics of one-click publish. After that we will create a simple C Sharp project, then we will publish that on the network share. Then client will install the published application and they will get the update from the same published location. That means very first time they will install the application from this network share, and next time onwards when the publisher updates the application, client will get the notification, or the publisher can forcibly push the update to the client also. So in this case a client won't get any notification, but the application will push it to the client location or workstation directly. So all this stuff we will see here. C# allows delivering the software via one-click install. So this is the way we are going to publish the application in a target location. The install package can be in a common location which will be shared to the subscribers. So there are two people here. One is the publisher and others are the subscribers. So publisher will publish the application and subscriber will get the notification of the published application. So they will install the application from the published location. That way they will get notification when there is a patch update or a major update, all those stuff. So in this case, in the sense application staying in a common location, I mean the installer staying in a common location and the client getting access to that common location and installing it, will avoid creating the CDs. So in the old traditional way, the application will be packaged into a CDs, then CD will be given to the each workstation, and in the workstation using the CD player the client will install the application by reading the content from the CD. So here with this one-click install and publish and subscribe method, we can avoid cutting the CD. Client installs it from the shared common location. So that means this is the way we will avoid cutting the CD. Also when it is in a common location, all client can install the application from this common location. So imagine that there are 500 clients in a big office, say for example a big banking office. There are 200 to 300 workstation. So if you cut a CD, then the application there should be internal engineers, so they will go to each workstation and they will start installing the application. But here, since it's a network common share in all client, they can install the application based on the instruction provided by the site admin, and from that common location application will get shipped to the workstation. So there are other advantages as well. Publisher keep updating the install location. Install location in the sense keep updating the install location. Here the install location will get updated with the new version or patches, right? So once they update the software on the installed location, since the client already installed that from the same location, each time when client starts the application will check for the new version on the installed location, and it will intimate the user that a new version is available, you want to update it or not. Or sometimes if it is a major version, the application will push it to the client location directly. Alright, here if you see, client will get notification about the update when they use the installed application. So when there is a update in the common location, client will get the notification. So for example, here is the publisher. So this is the network share, for example, Ecom Bank, and ABC is the location, and from that location there will be a e-commerce banking application. So publisher will publish the application or the installer on a common network share. So imagine that this is a big office setup. Yeah, for example, consider a 20-story building with all the banking processing going on each floors. So there may be some 500 to 600 workstation. So what happens once the site admin publishes the application on this location, or based on the supplier, the application supplier, they will publish the application shared by the site admin on a common location. Once that is done, all 500 workstations, say for example, so all the clients, so let's say client 430, there are multiple clients. All client will install the application from this same location. So this will avoid cutting down the CD, because installer is available in a common location and the client will install it directly. And publisher keep updating the installed application on this one. Say for example, the very first version is 1.0, then 1.0.1, then 1.0.4, let's say it's a patch, and then a major update 2.0. So in this case, if you see, the publisher is initially they published the application 1.0.1 and the client installed that 1.0.1. Later publisher is updating the exe with the new features on this same location. The client workstation, when they launch the exe, installed exe, they will get a notification stating that a new version is available. That means 1.0.4. Do you want to update it? So once they say yes, the new version will get pushed to the client workstation. So here it will be a choice, right? So since it's a notification, some client may update and some may not update. In case of a major update, the publisher has the liberty of pushing the content directly to the client workstation. That way all client will have the version 2.0. So all those are the advantages of one-click install and installing it in a common location. This common location cannot be a network share, it can be a web address, HTTP also. I mean, in internet location also the application can be published. So the shared location can be a network location, as we told here, or it can be a FTP server location, or it can be a internet a site also, www https or some location. So we will use the first option here in this sub-series. That means I don't have a network computer. In this system itself, we will share a folder, then we will publish the application on this network share. Then we will see how client is installing the application from this network share. So in the network share, there will be a HTML file that we can decide. It can be a publish.html or abc.exe install.html. So whatever is the HTML file that we can decide when we are publishing, and client will using the file protocol, they can access this HTML location. Since it's a network, they can access that HTML file. If it is a web location, they can use the www address and they can access that HTML file. And once they so the HTML file will provide the option to install the published application. All right, there is no demo here. From next video onwards, we will see installing the application through the one-click install. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.